Have you started yet? Have you figured out what you're going to do to save money and make with everything going on in this economy?
No, not yet.
It's only getting worse. It's not getting any better. And if you haven't figured out how to have more than one income stream, because one income stream is not reliable, you have got to start something. So while I make my coffee today, I'm going to tell you about what I think is the best beginner-friendly system I have ever seen that can help you start a side income hustle today. When it comes to Savings Highway Global, the first thing you do is start saving money. So you go through their savings portal, start saving money on insurance for your home and auto. You can set up a consultation to lower your monthly bills. And then after that, you can start saving on gas, groceries, and everything else you're already spending money on. And you can do all that today once you get your membership. Go in, easy. There's videos on how to do it. I have a video on how to do it. I'll show you everything. And after that, it shows you what income streams you've opened up, because there's 10 total, and how to scale all of those. And they have a scale to 7K in 7 weeks of residual monthly income. That's income that's going to be coming back to you every single month for you to live on, pay your bills, and do whatever else that you need to do with it. Not a whole lot to think about, in my opinion. And if you don't save money with this system, you have 7 days to go say, hey, not for me, and you get a refund, no problem. So it's not that difficult to start your side hustle, especially when you have a team behind you that gives you all of the training and everything you need to know on how to start scaling your business. And I'm here to help you. So when you're ready to start, and you're ready to start your online income and learn all of the things, all you have to do is go right here. Right there, and you'll have all the answers. And then you can come and join my group. And then that will show you exactly what I was able to do after I started that business and how I scaled it to where I am now the one providing our monthly income while we're all home and homeschooling all of our kiddos. So, if you want to be on a team like mine that helps you get to that point, then go, again, right there, and I'll help you out. See you later.